Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. I have bought this LED working light from Parkside with a power bank function. The model number is PBSL 5000PB2 and it's a 3.7 volt battery with 5 amp hours. The LEDs are 2 times 5 watts, comes with a charging cord, 2 times 500 lumens, and it works for 3 hours with both lights on and 5 hours with one light on. And I paid around 16 euros for this. I have a similar one, almost the same from another brand, and that one cost me 39 euros. So I thought it was a good offer. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the USB-C charging cord, and the LED light, and a manual in a multiple language, of course. And I'm sure your language will be there. So I see immediately it's a little bit different than the one I have. It comes with the magnetic foots, so you can hang it easy. But what I also discovered, there is this red button here, and when you push it, this one comes loose, and you have something like a hook, so you can hang it. Very smart. You can change it in every direction, of course. Open it up, and immediately we see the back side. There is this sticker with some specifications. On and off button, charging port, and a power bank port. So you can charge your phone with it, or your GoPro, or whatever. Press it 2 times, then one light is on. Press it 1 time, both lights come on. Press it 3 times, the other light will go on. And the 4th time it goes off. Very nice. Easy to use as an extra light. I'm going to use it in my shed, in my workshop. I have these metal plates in the ceiling, and I can easily hang it for some extra light to make the videos. Very nice. Here I have the old one, which was 39 euros. And here I have the Parkside one that cost me 16 euros. They look the same, but they are not exactly the same. The specifications, they both work on a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery, 5 amp hours. The specifications tells that they both run for 3 hours on both lights and 5 hours on a single light, and the luminous is 2 times 500 on both of the LED lights. This one has been delivered with a charging cable USB-C. This one has been delivered with a charging cable USB-C. They both have the magnetic foots. On the back side, they both have the LED charging, the LED charging indication. They both have the power bank function, and as I said before, they both have the USB-C. The on and off button is the same, and the mold of the plastic, it all looks the same. Even the sticker is on the same place. So the light color is a little bit different. This one is more yellow and this is more bright. I will show you. I hope you can see this in the video. And also the functions of the on and off button are different. When I push this for the second time, you get a lower light, and this one it changes to one light or the other, one light or the other, off, off. And of course the Parkside has this function with the hook. So those are the main differences between these two LED lights. For the rest, I'm going to use them a lot in my shed. I have these metal plates mounted everywhere where I need more light sometimes, and I just can hang them with the magnet to have extra light when I'm working in my shop, in my shed. So I have the standard Parkside cable that came with the LED light. Put it into the power bank. Put it into the phone. Immediately you see the LEDs pop up. I didn't charge it yet, and it got power. So the counting up is standard for Samsung, and immediately I see this yellow triangle, which is not good. Means the power is incorrect. It's an old phone, so it can be that it's the phone. Turn the cable around. Maybe I didn't connect it correct. But the counting up, that's what the Samsung always does. So it's not that it's charging very fast. Oh, it works fine. Let me show you the other one. Also with the LED lights, the battery is a little more low. And it's also charging. Let's put some power on the battery to charge the LED light. And then you see the LED blinking. And when they're all three full, the battery is also full. And then what I almost forgot to tell you is that it's splash proof. It's IP44. So you can use it in light rain, no problem. Well, I hope you like this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. If you want to know anything or you want to see any other tools, just drop a comment and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching now, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!